all the fellow chartered accountants, students, and all the people who are closely working with CAs. I wish you all a very happy Chartered Accountants Day. आज सुबह से मैं देख रहा हूँ that generally on 1st July we are very proud of this day. But बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि on other days most of the CAs जिनके साथ मैं बात करता हूँ, including myself I am telling you, बहुत बार we hate to be a chartered accountant और बहुत बार लूजली हम लोग बोल देते यार क्या यार CA के अलावा कुछ और कर लेते तो कितना अच्छा होता. So over the period जो भी मैंने रियलाइज किया है, it is happening mainly because of two reasons. आजकल हो ये रहा है कि हम लोग बहुत जल्दी CA बन जाते हैं. CA की जो एज है वो बहुत कम हो गई. लाइक पीपल आर बिकमिंग CA एट द एज ऑफ 21, 22 एंड 23. आई मीन वेरी यंग एज में आजकल हम लोग CA बन जाते हैं. सो होता ये है कि डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में जब हम बहुत सारे अदर ग्लैमरस फील्ड देखते हैं, सो it is very normal कि we are attracted towards it and we want to do more. Just CA it feels very incomplete. और second reason ये है कि even if we go into our field, like when we work as a CA as in a practice or in a job or any industry, we get burnt out after 5-7 years. It is really lot of people are getting burnt out and we start saying very loosely यार क्या यार CA नहीं कुछ और कर लिया होता. And 1st July we become all patriotic for our CA day and our alma mater and ICAI. It's amazing. So and this whatever I am saying, it is including myself. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं इससे अलग हूँ. मैंने भी बहुत बार लूजली बहुत बार मैं ऐसे बोल देता हूँ कि क्या CA नहीं कुछ और कर लेते. So these are the basically two reasons which I feel कि why people are thinking like that. But let me tell you, if you want to try something else, if you want to try something beyond CA, beyond your academics, that was the main purpose of my channel. It is no harm. You can go और आप try कर सकते हो. In fact, I see many fields where we CA can contribute to जहाँ हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा contribute कर सकते हैं. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है despite of being in such a wonderful profession, we can contribute a lot. Like I see politics, I see government. We CAs have very limited contribution or very limited participation there. You can आप अपने गिनती में हाथों की गिनती में काउंट कर सकते हैं कि we have a very limited participation. So politics, government, entrepreneurship, वहाँ पे भी I mean we are doing a lot as a consultant and lot as a guiding force, but direct participation I feel it is very limited. Many other profession can beat us. इसका एक reason ये भी है कि we are in a very limited number compared to other profession, but it's a high time that we should start going beyond our academics. We have lot of places, especially policies and law making and government, where we can contribute. And I would happy to see बहुत सारे CAs को to go in various field and can be into the glamour field also, which is the field which are more glamorous, which keeps you in more limelight. But one request and one promise which जो भी मैं भी आज अपने से कर रहा हूँ, and I would also discuss with you that no matter what where we go, whether हम CA में हैं नहीं हैं, even in my current role I am not just doing only finance. I do much more than finance. Obviously finance is big part, but I do much more than finance, and trust me, it is very amazing. Going beyond finance, going beyond traditional CA is very amazing और बहुत interesting है. So anyway, coming back to point कि कहीं भी हम जाएं, whichever field we do, I am not going to talk loose about my alma mater. Never very loosely, never unconsciously, or never. I mean to say, never jokingly. Also, I will not going to talk loose about my alma mater. I am not going to say that क्या यार सीए नहीं यार कुछ, इवन व्हेन आई एम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि यार सीए नहीं कुछ और कर लेते यार. इट इज अनकॉम्प्रोमाइजेबल फॉर मी फ्रॉम टुडे. एंड इफ यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट, इट इज वंडरफुल, बिकॉज इसकी जो वैल्यू है ना, इसकी जो वैल्यू है, आई मीन इट हैज़ इमेंस वैल्यू. और आज भी 7 साल के बाद इसकी वजह से जो इज्जत मिलती है ना, इट इज़ अमेजिंग. सो आप बाकी सब चीज़ में कुछ भी कर लो या कुछ नहीं कर पाओ, वेदर यू कम बैक टू सी ए और यू डोंट कम बैक टू सी ए, यू गेट सक्सेस इन अदर फील्ड, बट predominantly this will give you immense value till your last breath. So never talk loose about your alma mater, and especially I am not going to do about this from now onwards. And yeah, that's it. So Jai Hind and happy CA day.